hungry for you. He's coming out slow to start with. While he's got that tail in the water, he can go very quick. But now on land, that's about flat out. Good boy for a crocodile. On hard, solid ground. That's about it. I can even sit here, lie down, and as long as I keep an eye on him, I can get up out of the way quicker than he can come forward. Just have a look. Great big tail. That works like a handbrake. And he's got those short little legs and a big round belly, just like Stephen. He's not going anywhere quick on the land. But you get him in the water and he's dead set dynamite. He can swim at the cruising speed of a dolphin. No one can outswim a crocodile. Having said that part, they're very, very easy to avoid. Like I keep saying, stay out of the water. Stay out of the water and back from the edge, and you will never ever have a problem.